Hearst Magazines UK produces 19 magazines and 5 digital pure plays, including Cosmopolitan, Esquire, Elle Magazine, Good Housekeeping and Harper's Bazaar. Hearst has great brands, but also delivers exceptional content across multiple platforms. I think what has changed is how people want to access content. It may be through conventional engagement with magazines, through television, through IPTV, through mobile.
Our strategy has been to make sure that there is excellent content or experiences that we can give our consumers on all those platforms. So print is an amazing, wonderful thing, and people will always want print, but they also want to access those brands experientially, so in terms of events, but also digitally and through social media.
We believe in delivering great content however consumers want to access it. Whilst we are multi-platform, we're platform relevant with our content engagement and delivery. Our positioning is to make sure that we structure ourselves in terms of our understanding of the consumer's needs, but also our manufacturing of content. Integration of digitization through IT is core to our business model. One has to really start right at the beginning of the content manufacturing process. IT is absolutely at the core of that, which is where Censhare fits in.
This isn't just a technical solution. It has enabled a massive cultural change across the entire business. Censhare provides everything in terms of production for Hearst. Basically, everything goes into Censhare. Everybody works in the same way. Everybody uses the same tools. It enables us to share skills and knowledge across the entire company. Censhare helps us to be more efficient as a business. We've been able to reduce the reliance on external partners. We've also been able to simplify the workflow across the entire business so that we can produce the same content with fewer people. As part of that, we are also able to then reinvest that into moving the business forward. Censhare has enabled the management team to think about the business part without worrying about the technical.
Censhare is very much a hub at the heart of our business that deals with the more atomised delivery of article-based content that we find ourselves working in. And increasingly we link that out to our bespoke worldwide CMS to make sure we have a fully integrated content creation process. That means really making sure that we future-proof our content delivery systems to the needs of the consumer.
Censhare is starting to help us analyse and think about the customer journey and the way that people are interacting with our titles and the way that they will interact with them in the future. One really good example of that is the Good Housekeeping Institute, where we are helping people move from print to web and back to print again, and completing that journey in a circle using data that's all within Censhare.
What we were looking for was a way of using all the product testing that's been carried out in the Good Housekeeping Institute in a more integrated way. The Censhare solution is this intelligent database where we have everything about a product, from its price and where you can buy it from and what the basic specifications are, the test scores, images in all the different colours. For once, for the first time, we're able to use that information both in the magazine but also on the Good Housekeeping website and also in other productions related to the Good Housekeeping brand.
So however the customer interacts with the brand, they get the same consistent experience. And the final step of that will be bringing the reader information back into Censhare. So it will help us again with that cultural change of thinking about our readers in a much more holistic way. We've had Censhare in for 8 years, and over all of those 8 years, our use of the system has grown as we've learned, and our business has evolved, and Censhare has grown with us to enable that to happen.
What we like about Censhare is the very top of the organisation takes a very long-term view about what is likely to be happening in the market which we find ourselves in. And as you build your systems over a number of years, you need to be confident that your partner is going to have a long-term view as well.